Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. She is a living testament to the earth's most graceful rhythms, a blend of morning mist and golden hour glow. To describe her is to see the dawn touch a sleeping valley, a quiet clarity that feels ancient yet brand new. Her laughter has the cadence of a hidden silver brook, effortless, bright, and flowing through the day. Her presence holds the grounding strength of a cedar forest, while her spirit mirrors a wildflower's untamed way. The sun climbs high to find his light within your eyes, a golden spark where every shadow fades and dies. You are the whisper of the wind through willow trees, the gentle pulse of life in salt-spun summer breezes. Heartbeat steady like the tide upon the sand, beauty blooming, guided by a master's hand. Step by step, the earth begins to glow and sing. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring. Your kindness flows just like a river, deep and wide, with nothing left to fear and nothing left to hide. The mountains graze, the valleys peace, the sky of blue. The universe is painting portraits just of you, blooming exactly where you are meant to be, without asking permission, wild and free. So let the rhythm carry on a boundless energy, a symphony, a door for all the world to see. The way you move is nature's own symmetry, a masterpiece of love, a living legacy. A heartbeat steady like the tide upon the sand, beauty blooming, guided by a master's hand. Step by step, the earth begins to glow and sing. You are the melody that wakes the sleeping spring. For in your smile